We're gonna be debunking 6 weight loss myths because we all want the truth. Not as I see it, but as facts have proven. Hey everybody, it's Vernon at Happy Meals, and what we're gonna be talking about is how we can get around these myths, why am I stamping? It's myths about weight loss. Because everybody wakes up and says, hey, can you tell me a lie about weight loss? I want to be lied to, said no one ever. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell because let us help you be happy using Happy Meals. So there's these weight loss myths that are out there. 30-second intro, by the way, we're getting right to this. It's all about getting to the point. These myths are so ridiculous. Start off the top with number 1. I'm going to be happy when I lose X amount of pounds, whether it's 5, whether it's 50. We got different people losing so many different types of weight, but it's about practicing being happy right now. Practice being happy, practice enjoying yourself, practice being more bold, practice being more confident, but start to practice now. Don't wait for whatever X milestone is, and in this case it's losing weight. Start now. So that way when you get that goal, and you will get that goal with the amount of support that we give you in the Happy Meal program, but when you do get that weight down and you are feeling better about yourself and you're practicing this every single week, every single day, it just becomes a way of life. It's normal. So start now. All right, so we're going to number 2. It's all about being overweight. It's all about being overweight. It's all about being overweight. Why am I echoing this? Because this is echoed so much. It's about saying that being overweight is about willpower and not biology. That's complete nonsense. Some of us, we have a hormone called leptin, it's the hunger hormone. Some of us are resistant to that hormone. That is a biological thing at the cellular level. So sometimes we're having struggles losing weight. This can be our biology. It's not always about, oh, you're not strong enough mentally, oh, you're not disciplined enough. Those things don't help you. So don't get caught in that trap. Make sure before you believe things like that, you talk to people who know exactly what they are talking about. In our community, we're all about letting people know and educating them that, hey, maybe this might not be a willpower thing. Maybe it's what's going on with your body, and that's what we do. We slow you down and make sure that we're understanding what your body's saying. So be in tune with your body. Don't automatically believe that's bad discipline or lack of discipline or you don't have any willpower. It's nonsense. Number 3, I'm smiling because it's eat less and move more. That's like going up to someone who's depressed and say, why don't you just smile? Like, oh, eat less, move more. It's that simple, boom. It's not that simple for everybody because I know that my genetics are not that great. They're not. A lot of my family, we have just varying degrees of weight in my family, right? And when I started off and, back, 18, they were telling me, oh, just move more, eat less. I was doing it, but the weight wasn't coming off. It's not always that simple. A lot of times it's timing when you're eating. It's always about what time, a type of exercise you're doing. There's more factors in that. And as simple as that might sound to some people, ignore it. It ain't rocket science. Ignore them. That's it. Feel better about yourself. We're not gonna let them people make you feel bad about you. No. Happy Meals, we don't get down like that. Let's keep going. So number 4, we're talking about making sure that you eat breakfast. That does not guarantee that you will lose weight. When you're eating breakfast, and you might not have the most, solid nutritional, intake throughout the day. That doesn't mean, oh, I eat breakfast, I'm going to lose weight. I hear people time and time again, they're so concerned about breakfast, they're not having the best choices for lunch, not having the best choices for dinner. They're not eating the best snacks. And when I say best, I'm not knocking what people are eating. I'm just saying the things that fuel your body to make it run efficiently. So just because you eat breakfast, it doesn't mean that you're going to automatically start losing weight. Number 5, I think it's going to make a lot of people happy, but fast food makes you fat. Wrong. Fast food does not make you fat. Sure, there are some foods that you can eat at fast food restaurants that might not be the best. I love a Whopper. I'm not gonna front. They're delicious. You didn't hear me say that, but you did hear me say that, but I love a Whopper. More restaurants right now are really getting on the healthy wagon and making sure that you're gonna have a low calorie, it's gonna have no dairy, it's gonna be gluten-free, it's gonna be just the foods that you wanna eat to fuel this thing. And so many restaurants are finally getting on track with it. You can go out to eat to fast food places and you can have some really good food that is healthy for you. You don't have to worry about it. Meaning, you ain't always gotta cook. And that's perfect, right? Number 6, I'm gonna put this out there with the disclaimer, hear me out. Weight loss programs, AKA fad diets, work. Fad diets, they don't work. Sure, you might look good for this small window in the time. You might look good for a couple of days. The thing about fad diets is it's not sustainable. And when things are sustainable, you are going to rebound and gain more weight than what you initially lost. It's about having a healthy lifestyle, having things that you can cheat on with your diet, or that you can go out and have a few drinks and things like that. It needs to be sustainable for your lifestyle. That's what works. We love a healthy lifestyle. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video about debunking those 6 lousy lies about weight loss myths. You know, in the Happy Meals community, we are all about empowering you. We're all about giving you the strategy, and we're all about making sure we take the time to understand what your body's doing so you can lose your first 10 pounds. And that is our mission, to help 1 million, and that's a big number, 1 million people lose their first 10 pounds. And we want you to do that with us. If you have a myth that you want to share, put in the comments, because I'm happy to talk about that and create another video just for you, so maybe I can expand on some things, or maybe I skipped over something that you thought, hey Vernon, you should have said this. Thank you all so much. If you like videos like this, check out our other videos because they're just as awesome. See you soon.